So I picked up this ring light from Amazon. Let's go check this guy out, see how this thing works. In this video, we're going to review LED selfie ring light. This ring light comes with small tripod and has a 3 different LED light mode. This is great for making a makeup video, and you can pick this up on Amazon for around $10. First, let's do unboxing. Setting it up is pretty simple. It comes with a small tripod and you attach the ball joint, and then you attach the ring light and smartphone holder. This ball joint is very nice. With this ball joint you can rotate the ring light the way you want it. Also, the mobile attachment also has a ball joint, so you can rotate and adjust the way you want it. The mobile phone arm is very flexible, so you could bend it however you like it. It comes with USB power, but it doesn't come with USB power plug, so you can pick those up from any store. Or you can plug into your PC and power it up. The control is pretty simple. You have power on and off switch. You have a dimmer light. Negative button will dim the light and positive button will brighten the light. And with the middle button, you can cycle through 3 different LED light modes. Here I have a large size iPhone 8 with a heavy case on it, and it fits nicely on this mobile phone holder. Also, you could turn it around and you could shoot the video horizontally if you like. Okay, here I am shooting this video in front of iPhone. Now, currently the lights is turned off. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the light on. There it is. This is the white light. It's on the brightest mode. Then I'm going to go and dim the light a little bit. So this is the lowest level. Dim level, and bring it back up to the full brightest. There it is. So there you go. And then I'm going to change the color of the lights to somewhat yellowish light. There it is. And then more yellow light. And then back to the white light. There it is. So it looks pretty good. One of the good things about this ring light is you can also use it with other cameras too. Here I'm using DSLR camera. You can use it on that, or any other cameras with a tripod. You could use it to shoot videos. Also, if you have a favorite tripod you want to use, just unhook the mini tripod and plug into your favorite tripod, and you can use it too. So it's compatible with any other tripod. It also comes with Bluetooth remote control shutter. With this little device, you just pair it with your smartphone and you could take your picture remotely. It also comes with extra battery. It's pretty fairly easy to set up, so I won't go into it in detail.